In this video, I'll show you how to create effective facial camouflage in nature using an incredibly simple everyday item, Vaseline. Don't be shy here, we're going for effective coverage. With that rich amount of Vaseline, begin to distribute it evenly across your face. The goal here is a consistent, slightly sticky layer. This will act as the perfect adhesive for our next material. Take some dry, finely powdered earth. The consistency is key here. You want something dust-like, not gritty or lumpy. Gently pat or lightly sprinkle this fine dirt over all the Vaseline-coated areas of your skin. You'll see it instantly adhere, transforming your skin with a natural, non-reflective camouflage effect. Make sure to cover all the greasy spots for a uniform look. Follow the exact same pattern for the back of your hands. They're often exposed and can easily break up your profile. Covering them can complete your temporary camouflage. When it's time to return to your normal self, removal is surprisingly simple. A standard cloth or rag, perhaps slightly damp, will wipe away the camouflage easily, leaving your skin almost entirely residue-free. And there you have it. A quick, effective, and temporary camouflage solution using everyday items. Give it a try, and let me know how your improvised camouflage turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful tips.